Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to separate out the date and the time into separate cells in Microsoft Excel. So if I have a spreadsheet like this, I want to be able to put the date into one column and the time into another column and AM PM into my final column. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Well, my first option is to use text to columns. So if I highlight my cells right here and I go up to data and I go over here to text to columns, a wizard is going to be brought up for how I can divide my data. So I'm going to pick the first option that says delimited, and then I'm going to click next. And in this case, I can see up here with my first selected cell that I have a space here between the date and the time, and a space here between the time and whether it's AM or PM. So I'm going to select space instead of tab for my delimiter. And if I look down here, I can see that my data is being divided up exactly the way that I want it to be. So then I'm going to click next, and I can choose my kind of date format. And in this case, I like the default, so I'm just going to go with that. But if I wanted to change it, I could change it right here to a different date format, whether I wanted the month, the day, or the year first. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. As for my destination in the spreadsheet, if I move this out of the way, I want to start with B2. So I'm going to have my data replaced right here if I keep it this way, but I don't want that. So I'm going to just type over the A and put a B. And then I'm going to click Finish. And I can now see that all of my dates are in column B, all of my times are in column C, and the AM PM is now in column D. There are several other ways that you can do this with little nuances in each of the different methods. I'm going to include a link to our blog down in the description on YouTube. So if you would like to click on that and learn some other ways to separate out the date and the time, please feel free to do that. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions, and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.